everyone. Hope all of you are with best of your health. I am Navanita from Study Point Academy, and in our previous video, we have discussed about tense in present tense. Okay. Now today we will discuss about past tense. Now like present tense, past tense also have four parts: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Now what is simple past? Simple past is action that is finished or that has happened in the past. Action that has happened in the past. That is simple past. Like I was going to school. That is he went to school. Went to school. He went to school. Went is the simple past of go. Go, went, done. So went is the simple past of go. Now in simple past, the auxiliary verb is used did. Like if you want to write this sentence in negative form, because all the sentence we are learning in present tense, past tense and future tense, they have two forms, affirmative and negative. Now if you want to go write this sentence in negative form, then how will you write? He did not go to school. Okay? Did not go to school. Did not go. Now since we use did here, the main verb becomes present tense, because in a single sentence we should not use two past tense. Okay? In a single sentence we should not use two past tense. That's why when we had used did, we had used the main verb go. Okay? Now here in past tense there is not question of third person singular or first person or second person. I did, you did, they did, he or she also is did. There is no question of third person or second person, or there is no change in the third person singular form. Okay? So simple past is the action that has finished in the past. Now it is past continuous. Past continuous is was and were. The auxiliary verbs are was and were. Simple past continuous is the action that was going on in the past. In the past, the action that was going on, that is past continuous. So we can write action that was going on in the past. Action that was going on in the past. Like I was going to school, and verb plus ing. Also verb plus ing. Wherever there is continuous tense, you have to write the verb plus ing. I was going to school. You were going to school. In plural number it will be were, and in singular number it will be was. You were going to school. They were going to school. He or she was going to school. In singular number it will be was, and in plural number it will be were. That's all. Nothing more here. Now students, we will come to past perfect tense. In past perfect, there will be within two actions, one action had finished before the other action. Within two action, one action was finished. Like, let us take an example. The patient had died before the doctor came. Look at the example here. Well, I have written here had died. So past perfect is had, only had, and the verb is third form. Verb is in third form. Now you see the two action you see. The patient had died is one action. The doctor came is number two action. Number one action is patient died. Number two action is the doctor came. Now we will use the perfect tense in the first action, that is finished. In the first action which is finished, with that action we have to add past perfect, and the second one will be simple past. Okay, the patient had died before the doctor came, so the patient had died first. So within two action, one action was finished first. That's why we had added past perfect in the patient died. Okay, and the next action is the doctor came. The second action is doctor came. So the doctor came is came after the patient died. Okay. Now you see another thing, where to use before and where to use after. We can write this same sentence in reverse. We have to write before, we have to add past perfect before, and after we have to add past perfect. In this sentence, with an example I am showing you, the doctor came after the patient had died. You see, the same sentence I have done differently. Before, the past perfect should be added before, and after it will be added. When you write after, the past perfect will be after. And if you add past perfect before, then the and past perfect will be before. Okay. So the same sentence you see, the patient had died before the doctor came. In another way, we are writing the doctor came after the patient had died. So both are same sentence, but we have added before and after in different places. Okay. Is it clear? So, the past perfect comes after, and before. Okay. Oh, okay. Now we are coming in past perfect continuous. So, the last part is past perfect continuous. In past perfect continuous, our auxiliary verb is had been and verb plus ing. I have told you before, where there is continuous, the verb will be in ing. Okay. So in past perfect continuous, the same thing, within two actions, the one action was going on when the other action happened. Like you see, he had been studying when his father entered in the room. He had been studying. Now the same thing, within the first action, the action which was going on, we will add past perfect continuous here. He had been studying. While he was studying, his studies was going on, the second action happened, his father entered. So this is the first action, this is the second action. Another action I am telling you, another example I am telling you, the bell had been ringing when I came home. So you see, the bell had been ringing from the first, and after that I came home. The second action will be in simple past tense, and the first action will be in past perfect continuous. Okay, so this is our past tense, and next day we will discuss about future tense. Okay, thank you students.